Interactive skill benchmarks are a new way for you to determine your proficiency in programming and data topics. Let's launch the benchmark and jump right in. This question is asking to import modules into Python and asking us if we can demonstrate that understanding. We have this coding environment here where we can write code, execute it, and then check to see if our answer is correct. Here, we're going to import a couple different modules, add a task, and then list the tasks. We'll run our code, we'll see it reflected in the panel here, and now we can check our answer. We'll see that we didn't do something right, so we lost a check and we get some information about what we should do differently. Here, the instructions were to add 2 tasks to the list and we only added 1. So we can use that information, add the second task back in, rerun our code, then check our answer again and see that we got it correct. So now we can go view the results. We can now see our score for the benchmark. Here we have a 50, which shows that we're still developing our understanding of these skills. We can then scroll down and take a look question by question and see what we missed, what we got right. And if we scroll down further, we'll see a targeted list of recommendations for the interactive courses that are targeted to each of these learning outcomes that we missed.